How to fix green line on Samsung phone in 2026. Hello guys, I'll show you 3 best working solutions with fast and easy methods. Let's do it. First, press and hold the power button and volume button together until this pop-up appears on your screen. After this screen appears, restart your phone from here because restarting may fix temporary display glitches, but it usually won't remove hardware-related green lines. After your phone turns back on, check if the green line is still there. If the problem is still there, press and hold the power button and volume button again. Now, press and hold the power off option. From here, tap on safe mode. Your phone will restart in safe mode. Now, if the green line disappears in safe mode, it means a third-party app may be causing the issue. Uninstall the suspicious app and install it again if needed. To return to normal mode, simply restart your phone normally. Now for the best and strongest method, go to your phone's settings. Scroll down and open General Management. From here, go to Factory Data Reset. Before resetting your phone, make sure to back up all your important files and data in a safe place. A Factory Data Reset will make your phone fresh like a new device. Then scroll down and press the reset button to start the process. After your phone resets, complete the setup process. If the green line is still visible after the reset, the issue is most likely related to the display hardware. Still having any problems? Share them in the comments. Thanks for watching.